Hello friend, welcome back my YouTube channel and you are watching Anil Gupta Digital Marketing YouTube channel. So friend, today we will discuss about on page SEO and first and very important part in SEO which called competitor analysis. Yes friend, competitor analysis is very important part in on page SEO, and before we start SEO we should know about our competitor websites all activities. For example, what is ranking our competitor websites and how many number of backlinks are competitor website and they are doing which activities, and all things is very important on page SEO, and it help to improve our website ranking and it help to beat our competitor websites. So all things which I told you and you need for competitor analysis process you can do by use SCMRS tool, HREF tool, Neil Patel tool and more free tool available on Google. You can search on Google free competitor analysis online tools. So friend, I hope you like my video and I request you, if you want to learn digital marketing course, so please like my video, subscribe my channel and press my bell icon. So we will meet with my next video and next topic. So bye bye.